lucky wasn't on my side. There's another problem. Did you regret? No, it worked. Hey guys, this is Sony ZV-1, a pretty cool camera, easy to use, portable, but the problem is the battery. The battery is not powerful enough. I got these 4 batteries, but the problem is when I use this camera as a web camera, I cannot turn it off and change the battery because the video will be shut down. So I found this. This is a dummy battery with a USB cable like this. And this saved me. When I put it in, problem solved. But you know what? Lucky wasn't on my side. There's another problem. I cannot close the battery door. I watched several videos on YouTube. They have a little thing here. Can you see that? They can open that little button, but I don't have that thing. I don't know why. I bought it from Sony website, but I don't know why. They have different models. So look at mine, I don't have that thing. But after thinking, after examining here, I found something. I measured this. Can you see this little thing? I found here, there's a little possibility. I can cut this. Before you cut, you have to measure if the wire can come out from this battery case. So I measured with the pen. Look at the depth. The depth is this. The depth is this little thing, and the wire. I'm not sure, guys. The wire is this long. Can it come out from this case? I'm not sure, guys. But I've already decided, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut this little thing and let the wire come out. I'll try. And this is one of the possibilities, I think. Okay, I'm going to cut it. All right, talk to you later.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I found the first solution is not very good. It's not correct because I cannot cover the lid of the camera, so I changed the second position. I got 2 parts. It's 1 and 2. Do you know which one worked? The correct answer is this one. I cut from here because at the very beginning I thought I can put the wire out from here. But actually it's impossible because look at this. Look at this wire, and it connects here. And this part, there is a bump, and I cannot cover it. I cut the edge, but I cannot cover this lid. That's why I cut the second part here. Can you see this? And then problem solved. Okay, and I cover the lid. It's a little bit tight, and I have to press harder and then close the door. Oops, close the door. Bang, problem solved, guys. Problem solved. Okay. Then let me charge this. See if it worked or not. Okay. The socket is here. And check this. No. Oh, it worked. You see it? The wire. And it worked. Hey guys, problem solved. Look at this wire. This wire is connecting this camera and bam. You know what? I hope you can cut the correct position on your Sony ZV-1, okay? Don't just like me. I cut two parts. The first one is wrong. Okay guys, just to remember that the first one is not correct. Use the second one, which is here. Here. Can you see that? Here. Comes out from here. Okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace. Oops, can I blur the background? Blur my background. Can I blur my background? Be focused. Okay. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video can solve your problem, man. Don't forget to leave a thumb up and subscribe guys, because I cut my camera. As you can see, I cut my camera. Okay, next time guys. Peace. Bye. Ooh. Now I think this is Sony ZV-1 is powerful. Love it. Did you regret? No, it worked. It can save your time. You will not cut this part. Don't cut here and cut here, okay? Make a little hole and you can pull the wire out and connect the charger. All right. Thanks for watching guys. Next time. Peace.